Nautical miles. Waters from Savannah, Georgia to Omaha Sound, Georgia, out 60 nautical miles. Radar indicated. Intact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations intended include Betsy Moss Reef, Bar 7 Tower, Hunting Island Reef, Buford 45 Feet Reef, Fripp Island Reef, General Gordon, Fripp Island Wreck, Hilton Head Reef, Fripp Buoy, Dredged Henry, Buoy L, Latex Barge, Sailor Barge, Tug Delta Diamond, and Edisto 60 Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.